Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Symone. If you didn't know, it's your girl Symone. If you ain't already know, it's your girl Symone. If you didn't know, it's your girl Symone. If you ain't already know. And I am back. And in today's video, we are going to be trying out a headband wig from Coshgirl. This video is sponsored by Coshgirl. So thank you so much, Coshgirl, for sponsoring this video. But make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to go ahead and get into this wig review. Alright, you guys, so as you can see by the title of this video is brought to you by Coshgirl. So thank you so much, Coshgirl, for sponsoring this video. So they went ahead and they sent your girl a 16-inch headband wig. This is a Bodywave wig. It is 150% density and it's in the color natural black. They also sent us a headband to go along with it, as well as stocking cap. So thank you so much, Coshgirl. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at the specs of the wig. All right, so this wig has a comb, let's see, has 3 combs in the front, and then a comb at the nape of the wig. It also comes with the elastic Velcro band that allows you to attach it to your head. It doesn't have any adjustable straps. So this wig is super pretty right out of the packaging. This is my first time seeing this wig. I just opened it on camera with you guys for the first time, and it looks so lustrous. I love the shine. It's very, very soft, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. So all you do is you just place it on your head, put it to, you know, you can use the combs or not. I don't use combs because they pull out your hair, and also my hair is braided back. This fit on my head like super well, you guys, because I have a small head, and without adjustable straps, sometimes these headband wigs tend to be too big for you, girl, but it's a perfect fit. I am feeling her. Are you guys feeling her? I'm feeling her. Are you feeling her? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is really, really cute, you guys. I absolutely love how it looks. I love the body wave. It is so pretty, you guys. I don't even want to brush it because I don't want to mess up this body wave. Like, this looks so pretty. I'm not getting any type of shedding on my hand while running my hands through it, which is a really good sign. So that means that there may be little to no shedding. I'm not seeing any shedding whatsoever. So that is really, really great, you guys. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box of where you guys can purchase this wig. I did receive this wig, but like I always tell you guys, when I do receive products, all the thoughts and opinions are my own. So just because they sent this to me doesn't mean I'm not going to give you guys the real tea on this wig. But I really like this wig. If you guys like this wig, make sure that you guys go ahead and thumbs up this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel because our family is growing, you guys. We are almost to 300 subscribers. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. So just make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel, turn on those post notifications, and check out some of my other videos, okay, you guys? Also follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.